Hey, good morning. Good morning, YouTube. It's Pete again from Hyperboost. Oh my goodness, I just could not let it go. I can't. After I took off the wrap, I felt like there was something missing in the car. Now, some of you guys had made a comment on my Instagram that it needs some sort of thing to kind of distinguish it from the rest of the blue, because it is mighty blue and it's blue and black, right? As you guys know, you saw the pictures. I did a couple of test shots for a possible photo shoot, and kind of like I used myself and the car as the subject to see what kind of angles I want to use during this photo shoot. But in any case, I just could not leave it alone. So you know what I did? I took off the big wing and I put the carbon fiber trunk back on. But yo, how ridiculous is that? That looks freaking cool. I mean, yeah, obviously different look, right? A lot of people like the wing because the Evo 10 does have a shorter back to it, and the wing kind of gives it a little bit more of a character going that way and extending the back a little bit more. But because I think of the duckbill extension down here, I think that works fairly well. So I think that the duckbill extension works very, very nicely. Accent stripes, okay, down on the front air dam, the side skirts, and the side mirrors. It was kind of like the same thing that Raptors did, but the one that Raptors had was really thick, and it didn't really match as well as I thought it would. So I took the front stripe off, and now I got a 1/2 inch stripe, and I think it looks so much better that way. Also, the accent striping here, Raptors had this all red, which was my design, but I think that looks better. Nice simple hints, as well as I put a red demarcation stripe right here, little accent stripe right on the back or the tip of the carbon fiber trunk. I think that looks pretty dang good. Yeah, definitely. I gotta fix that stripe, it's a little crooked, but yeah, it looks really good, you guys. Oh my lord. I'm gonna go over here with the sun instead of against it. Yes, yes, yeah, that looks so much better. That looks so good. Oh man, I don't know, what do you guys think? I know some of you guys are big wing fans and all that stuff, but you know, the look, the wingless look, I can dig it. I've always have. I mean, I've had this trunk here before, but I think it looks really good right now. So anyway, thank you guys for watching Hyperboost. Make a comment below. See what you guys think. That looks so good though. Holy smokes. All right, y'all. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Click that little ring button and the like. Again, same thing, helps me out in the algorithm. So just trying to get monetized, guys. Anyway, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all.